In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table columns and use full width layout in Confluence. If you've ever created a table in Confluence and found that your text is cramped, headers are wrapping, or important details get pushed out of view, a quick tune-up of your column widths and page layout can make the whole page easier to read. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so your table looks clean and professional. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to update. Give the page a moment to load so all editing tools are available. Once you're on the right page, switch into editing mode by selecting Edit at the top. You'll know you're in the editor when the formatting toolbar appears and your cursor can move around the page. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the table controls. When the table is selected, you'll see handles and borders that indicate where each column begins and ends. This is your cue that the table is ready to be adjusted. Now, hover your cursor over the border between two columns until it changes to a left-right resize indicator. Click and drag that border to the left or right to set a new width. Go slowly and watch the text inside the column as you move it. Your goal is to give each column just enough space so content doesn't feel squeezed, while not wasting horizontal room. If you make a change you don't like, use undo to step back and try again. Work your way across the table, resizing columns that need more breathing room and narrowing those with shorter content, like status fields or shortcodes. If you still feel cramped after resizing, switch the page to a full width layout. In the editor toolbar, look for the page layout option and change it from a fixed or standard width to full width. This expands the content area from edge to edge, giving your table more horizontal space without changing the text size. Full width is especially helpful for tables with long headings, dates, or links. Take a moment to review the entire table. Check that headers are readable, text isn't wrapping awkwardly, and nothing is getting cut off. Pay attention to columns with long values and make sure the overall balance looks right. When you're satisfied, publish the page. After it reloads in view mode, give the table a final look to confirm the widths and layout appear as expected. If anything seems off, hop back into Edit, make small adjustments, and publish again. And that's it. Your Confluence table should now be clean,